All right, folks, this is a 2012 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 4x4. The Z71 is a suspension package. Very high rubber, not brand new tires, but very high rubber, probably 90%. Undercarriage looks great, no rust. Just super clean truck. Sharp. I love the wheels. The wheels are sharp. No road rash or nothing like that on the wheels. This is a gas motor, the 6.0 gas. Here's some of the numbers we have on it, which you can see that online. We just had a price drop, $26,875. We just have a $100 processing fee on top of that, and you own it. Of course, you got tax tags and title. That's the state's money. But just super sharp truck. Got your step sides. Again, let me go to the tires. Tires look good. Undercarriage looks good. I know a lot of people like to see that. Go around to the back. Again, in the rear. You have the tow package back here. This is an LT model. It is cloth inside. It has a rear view camera, also backup camera. There is a rubber bed liner in it. Back to the back door. Cloth seats. Everything is in good shape. Some of the front up here. Let's go to the front door. Right, standard issue here. It does have, people like to slide out of the driver's seat. It does have a tear right there, the driver's seat. That has been sewed up. So it does have that. Everything inside here looks fine. Four-wheel drive, of course. Anyway, folks, give me a call if y'all got any questions on this at 540-631-7230. Check us out online at www.eliteautosalesva.com. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you.